Hi, I'm Michael. I'm here to announce two new safety features for the Phantom 2 series that will be available with the current firmware update. We have developed these two features in compliance with safety guidance from flight agencies from across the globe. First, we have developed a flight limitation system that will prevent your Phantom from flying in restricted areas, such as airports. The update will download a global GPS database of restricted locations into your Phantom. This feature will only be active if your Phantom has a sufficient GPS signal, regardless of what mode you're flying in. We have two categories on our airport list, Category A and Category B. Category A includes large international airports, think Heathrow or LAX. For Category A, we have established 5-mile or 8-kilometer safety zones around these areas using our GPS database. In the first 1.5 miles or 2.4 kilometers away from a safety zone, you will be unable to take off. From 1.5 miles to 5 miles away from a restricted area, an increasing height limit has been established going from 35 feet at 1.5 miles to 400 feet at 5 miles. If you are using the Vision or Ground Station app, you will be warned in advance if you are within 330 feet or 100 meters of entering a Category A safety zone. For Category B, which are much smaller airports, if you are less than 0.6 miles or 1 kilometers away from a restricted area, you will be unable to take off. Again, with the Vision or Ground Station app, you will be warned in advance if you are within 0.6 miles of entering a Category B safety zone. The update will also prevent you from setting waypoints within 8 kilometers of safety zones. A map showing the waypoint safety areas can be found at dji.com/flysafe. So what happens if you accidentally fly into a safety zone without a clear GPS signal? Once the GPS signal is strong enough to accurately locate your Phantom, the following will happen. If you are flying in an area that otherwise limits takeoff, so 1.5 miles away for a Category A zone or 0.6 miles for a Category B safety zone, your Phantom will land immediately. While your Phantom is landing, you will be able to control the Phantom except for being able to fly it higher. If you are between 1.5 and 5 miles away from a Category A zone, your Phantom will automatically descend to that area's designated height limit. The second feature of the safety update is the ability to set your Phantom's height and distance limits. The default height limit has been set to 1,300 feet or 400 meters, and the default distance limit has been set to 1 mile or 1.6 kilometers. You can adjust these flight parameters to fit local flight regulations using the assistant software. To clarify, the height and distance limit is measured from your home point. Finally, for flight safety, we have set a height limit of 394 feet or 120 meters when flying a Phantom without a GPS signal. You can download the firmware update at the URL below. And if you have any questions or suggestions, you can email us at flysafe@dji.com. Thank you for watching.